For assembling scrolling text project you will need only two parts, and those are Arduino board, and you can use Arduino Nano or Arduino Uno board, and these boards are very cheap at online store. For example, on eBay, Arduino Nano costs around $2. Second part that you need is 8x8 LED dot matrix with integrated LED driver. This LED display you can purchase from eBay for around $2. I will put links in description below of both parts needed to make this project. So to build this gadget you will need only two parts, the Arduino board and the LED dot matrix. Together cost about $4, which is pretty cheap for making this awesome project. First I'm gonna connect all wires from Arduino to LED matrix. There are 5 wires needed to be connected. Positive 5 volts and ground are connected from Arduino to LED matrix. Pin 8 from Arduino is connected to digital in, pin 9 is connected to CS, and pin 10 is connected to CLK. Next you need to do is to install the library needed to work this project. The link is below, just download and insert the library in Arduino library folder. After copying the Max Matrix library into Arduino library, next is to copy the sketch code and paste in the Arduino IDE program. With USB cable, connect the Arduino board with your computer and upload the code. You can write your own text by inserting the words up to 60 letters. Just find this line in the code and insert your own text. Here it is in action, and it's awesome gadget. You can add second display or more LED dot matrix modules, that way the scrolling text look more visible and more amazing. Meet Otto. Otto is smart, interactive homemade robot with a lot of functions, and you can play with him with hours. It's made from 3D printed parts, Arduino board and a lot of Arduino modules, such ultrasonic sensor, 4 micro servo motors, 8x8 LED matrix. Inside there is a Bluetooth module, a buzzer, LiPo battery with charger module, and all modules are placed in his body. I can control Otto with my smartphone, because Otto has Bluetooth module and it's connected with the phone. This app has a lot of functions. Let's see some movements. He can play that. This cute robot can play a bunch of melodies. With this function you can draw on LED matrix and will be shown on Otto display. he can walk in any direction. I will make how-to video for Autorobot. For those who can't wait, in description below is link of official Auto Arduino robot. It's open source, and must say that by far this is my favorite project, and I love this cute robot. Let's hit 1000 likes and give some love to this smart and interactive toy. First project is controlling a servo with ultrasonic sensor. And as title say, you need one microservo, ultrasonic sensor, these look like eyes, jumper wires and of course Arduino Uno board. When sensor detect any movement, the servo will rotate. Second project is ultrasonic distance measurement with LCD display. For making, you need ultrasonic sensor, a 16x2 LCD display, jumper wires and breadboard. For making this project, because of using LCD display, you need to connect more jumper wires. And not to forget, before every project you need to install required libraries. Now let's see it in action, this project. With DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor, and we're gonna use again the 16x2 LCD display, I will demonstrate how easy it is to build thermometer with humidity readings. Building keypad door lock system with custom password, which can be changed in code. Last Arduino simple project is that you can control servo motor with analog joystick.
Hello Hicktubers! This is Smart Arduino based remote control car kit made by ADAP. The smart car has following functions: manual driving the car in any direction, intelligent obstacle avoid mode, gesture control mode, and wireless radar scanning mode. Awesome holiday present for yourself or friend. Now let's open the box and assemble the smart 4-wheel drive car kit with Arduino board. ADAP have chosen the best parts for this DIY intelligent kit with super quality components and very organized and simple to understand how to assemble the smart car. First I'm gonna peel off the acrylic parts and you can see that everything is cut very fine and they look amazing. All nuts and bolts are sorted in small zip bags and they are marked so you can find the right part. And on ADAP website there is complete instructions and videos how you can assemble all parts. The brain of this smart car is Arduino Uno board and shield with motor driver. Now I'm gonna start assembling the car, and first is to attach the battery holder to main chassis. Not to forget that in kit you will find screwdrivers and mini wrench tool for nuts and bolts. Next is to place the gear DC motors on main chassis and put the wheels. Now I am assembling front bumper, and pay attention before you install the servos, first need to center them, meaning from left and right to have same distance movement. One servo will be for controlling direction of wheels and other for ultrasonic sensor. As I mentioned, there is a full instruction provided by ADAP how to assemble the parts, and next is to attach the front wheels and steering mechanism together with servo motor on the main chassis. Placing the servo motor for controlling the ultrasonic eyes, so can this intelligent car see where it's going. These two RGB LEDs are lights for our smart car. Installing the brain, ADAP Arduino compatible board and securing with 4 bolts, and over that board I need to place the shield, which is for driving all components on this smart car. Last component before wiring all together is a buzzer and need to be installed on back side of car. On remote control joystick I need to install just the battery holder, add the Wi-Fi module and attach Arduino Nano board. Next is to wire up all components with Arduino board. Everything is connected, and now I need to program the Arduino board on car and Arduino on remote control. Sketch codes are available on ADAP website, also I will place them in description below. After flashing the Arduinos, the last thing is to put batteries in both units, and to mention that you will need 4 18650 lithium batteries, those are not included in kit. The smart car is finished and now we're gonna see it what can do. First I'm gonna try free mode. Avoiding obstacle is my favorite mode, means the smart car is driving by itself. Gesture control mode is also amazing. You can control the car with movements of gyroscope sensor that is placed on the remote control. Last mode is that you can use the smart car as radar detection of objects near car. This is the best holiday present you can buy for yourself for upcoming holidays. By visiting the ADEP website, the link is in the description below, you will get one amazing and learning Arduino kit. And I'm sure that everyone will have some fun playing with Smart Car Kit by ADEP. Thanks for watching and thanks to ADEP for sending me this amazing kit. Hello Hacktubers, DIY homemade Bluetooth speaker for smartphone. I have made with small speaker, passive radiator for bass, solid paper roll, Bluetooth receiver board with built-in charger and audio amplifier module. Before I show you how I made this mini gadget, sponsor of this video is PCBWay, custom PCB prototype service that offer you the best quality of printed circuit boards. Visit the PCBWay, the link is below, and check the website and enter to win Christmas coupons and give cool gifts to PCB designers who prototype at PCBWay. Thanks guys! About the project, in next minute you will watch how I assemble the three main parts for making DIY mini Xbox speaker box. Main module with integrated audio amplifier and Bluetooth receiver. From here I have soldered the speaker and LiPo battery. Basically you need Bluetooth audio receiver, audio amplifier, LiPo charger and LiPo battery. All this on this tiny board. Amazing! And custom made mini case for placing all parts. Hello Hacktubers! Let's make a digital voltmeter using only Arduino board and LCD display. There are thousands of Arduino projects, but this one is very useful and simple to make. For building digital voltmeter that will measure up to 30 volts, you need Arduino board and LCD display with 16x2 characters, one 100 kΩ resistor and one 10 kΩ resistor. The schematic and source code are in description below. Sponsor of this video is PCBWay that produce high quality printed circuit boards. At this moment, PCBWay give Christmas coupons and mysterious gifts to 10,000 lucky PCB designers. The Christmas coupon event will last up to December 25. So what you waiting for? Visit the PCBWay, the link is in description below, create your own prototype board, order from PCBWay and you will get your Christmas package with your custom board and gifts from PCBWay. Let's continue with the project. I want to create LCD display shield and purpose of this will be that I can reuse the LCD display shield for other projects without soldering wires all the time. After soldering all the connection between my custom board and LCD display, I made myself smart LCD shield that I can attach on my Arduino Uno board. Now let's test this voltmeter by measuring some batteries and compare with my mini voltage DC power supply. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this project will be awesome. Hello Hacktubers! This video will be for easy and simple electronic projects that are made with minimal components so can anyone make it. For every electronic gadget, I will draw a circuit and explain how to make the connections. Before we start, sponsor of this video is PCBWay, PCB prototype the easy way. You can design your custom-made PCBs and order from PCBWay website. In very fast time, you will receive your package with your prototype boards with superb quality, and the guys from PCBWay are super cool. Beside your boards, you will get a bunch of stickers and PCB design marker pen, which is awesome. Visit the link below and make your first order with PCBWay. This is simple circuit for LED flasher that works with only one transistor, one LED, one capacitor and one resistor. To explain how to solder all the components. Emitter from transistor is soldered to 1 kΩ resistor and positive side of capacitor. The base of transistor is not connected. Collector of transistor is soldered to positive side of LED. Negative side of LED is soldered to negative side of capacitor, and here we're gonna solder the negative wire from 9V battery. On 1 kilo ohm resistor we're gonna solder the positive wire from 9V battery. Simplest LED flasher. This circuit is for making light touch switch with this 555 integrated chip, and it's made with only this chip and one LED. This circuit is to make 10 chasing LEDs without 55 chip, and I'm using multicolor LED for triggering the chip 4011, which have 10 decoded outputs. To make this circuit you need only the chip, 10 LEDs, 1 resistor and 1 multicolor changing LED. Hello Hacktubers! Today's hack is how you can convert ordinary black computer fan into RGB LED controlled light show PC fan. Before I start making today's project, sponsor of this video are my friends PCBWay, prototype PCB manufacturer that offer you the best and high quality printed circuit boards and offer you PCBA servers from 1 to 10 assembled boards for $88, which is super cool offer. And by the way, PCBWay wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you, and with your order at PCBWay you may be a lucky PCB designer and win a snowman PCB Christmas gift like this one. Thanks again to PCBWay for great PCB gifts. Now to explain about today's project, which is converting a PC fan into Wi-Fi controlled LED RGB light show. I am placing RGB LED strip around the PC fan, but before that I drill some holes so can each LED diode reflect directly on PC fan blades. The fan I have sprayed with white color paint, and everything I tied up with 2-component fast adhesive 2-in-1 glue.
I hope you like the LED controlled PC fan that change any color via Wi-Fi or with this small remote control that come together with Wi-Fi controller that I purchased from eBay for about $8. Thanks for watching and be a Hacktuber. Subscribe!
Hello Hacktubers! Do you know what is Raspberry Pi? If no, let me tell you that Raspberry Pi is mini computer board and there are several different models of Raspberry Pi. But today I'm gonna review and see what can do Raspberry Pi 3 model B Plus starter kit, which you can buy at DF Robot online store. The link will be in description below. Also, this video is sponsored by DF Robot online electronic store for Arduino boards, sensors, Raspberry Pi computers, 3D printers and robotic kits. Let's open Raspberry Pi 3 model B Plus starter kit and see what is in the box. HDMI cable for interfacing with your monitor or TV. USB micro SD card reader that support up to 128GB flash memories. And in kit is included 32GB SanDisk micro SD card, which is super cool. Power adapter that give 5 volts and 2.5 amps of current. Raspberry Pi plastic case for protecting your mini console. And Raspberry Pi 3 model B Plus computer board with HDMI output, micro USB powering port, 4 USB connectors, Internet port, wireless and Bluetooth modules built in, quad-core 64-bit processor and 1GB of RAM. These small heatsings also are included in kit. They are self-adhesive and you can place them on Raspberry Pi chips and have much better cooling. Raspberry Pi can be a computer, a weather station. There are a lot of projects online, but I'm making Raspberry Pi a RetroPie game console. First I need to write RetroPie image on micro SD card, and you can download RetroPie from link below, and I will put links for how to install RetroPie on Raspberry Pi board. After installing the RetroPie and adding some games, I have plugged in the micro SD card with RetroPie software into card reader of board. With HDMI cable I connect with my TV and I have used this USB Nintendo controller, which is amazing. Now let's play some games. I hope you like today's review, and if you like great holiday gift, Raspberry Pi is amazing toy. Check the link below. DF Robot offer you super starter kit. Thanks for watching.
Hello Hacktubers! Simple and easy to make laser alarm that is amazing learning project how laser alarms work. The circuit is made with one NPN transistor, one LED and buzzer, 2 kΩ resistor, one photoresistor and cheap laser module. In next minute watch how I build this gadget and see how it works. Don't forget to like today's project, share with your friends, and for more amazing projects, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Hello Hacktubers! 100 watts LED chip that cost $5. I purchased from eBay, and this chip works from 30 to 34 volts and give cool white light. Will draw 3 amps of current or 3000 milliamperes. That means if you have battery with 30 volts and 3000 milliamperes capacity, the LED chip with 100 watts will last 1 hour. To run this mini monster LED chip, I need a power supply that will give exactly 30 volts and no more than 3 amps of current. This LED driver works from 85 to 265 AC voltage and give from 27 to 38 volts DC power and 3000 milliamperes of current. The cost is same as LED chip, $5 for LED driver and $5 for LED chip. So $10 for both products, and you can find them on eBay or AliExpress together for around $10 to $12. To run the LED chip, you will need also big heatsink. If you can add big fan for cooling, that will be awesome and great for longer life of LED chip. So here it is, everything wired, and the circuit is simple. You power the LED driver with AC voltage. From here the LED driver gives DC voltage of 30 volts. Positive and negative wires are soldered to LED chip, which I glue with metal glue on big heatsink for cooling. Let's power up this mini monster LED chip 100 watts for $10. As you can see, it's super bright and super easy to build yourself a homemade 100 watts LED light that costs $10. Thanks for watching, and these are popular life hacks right now. Check them out. See ya, Hacktubers!
Hello Hacktubers! In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make paper speaker. But before I start making, it's good to know that any speaker is made from 3 important parts, and those are magnet, membrane and copper coil that is inside magnet core. For making paper speaker, of course you will need paper sheet, thin isolated copper wire, a magnet, short cable with 3.5mm jack and clear tape. So I can test my paper speaker, I'm using small audio amplifier that is powered by small LiPo battery, and I'm gonna send music from my phone via 3.5mm cable.
Hello Hacktubers! After a while, here it is a new project video. It's basically very simple and easy to build gadget that consists 2 NPN transistors, 2 10 kilo ohm resistors, 1 mega ohm resistor, one piece, a LED, 1 microfarad capacitor and condenser microphone. Before I show you how it works and how it performs, this amazing music dancing LED, sponsor for this video are my friends PCBWay. At PCBWay, you can order any prototype flexible PCBs with great quality, starting at $79 for 10 pieces. Also, PCBWay have PCB assemble and free shipping worldwide. For more info, check the PCBWay, the link is in the description below, and make your first order of your custom-made design PCB. Now let me explain the circuit of this super simple music reactive dancing LED. You need to find condenser microphone, and positive lead of capsule is soldered to positive leg of 1 microfarad capacitor and 10 kilo ohm resistor. From 1 microfarad capacitor the signal goes to base of first transistor. Both emitters of transistor are connected to ground. Collector of first transistor is soldered to base of second transistor through 10 kilo ohm resistor to positive power supply. Base from first transistor through 1 mega ohm resistor is connected to positive power. The LED is connected between collector and second transistor of positive power. Here it is example of circuit built on breadboard and is powered by 5 volts. Now let's play some music and see it in action how LED react to music. Thanks for watching, please share and subscribe.
Hello Hacktubers! Today I am making non-contact voltage detector and it's made with only 4 components. Before I start making this super simple circuit, let me explain the schematic. As I say, you need only 4 components to make the non-contact voltage detector. 2 NPN transistors, you can use whatever low power transistor you have. 1 220 ohm resistors and any color LED for indication. Both collectors of transistor are connected on positive power supply. On first transistor base is non-contact voltage sensor. Emitter from first transistor is connected with base of second transistor. 220 ohm resistor is soldered on emitter of second transistor, and from here through LED is soldered on negative power supply, which in this case will be 9 volt battery. I'm gonna solder all the components on 9 volt connector that I pull out from that battery, and for non-contact sensor I use small piece of copper wire. Now let's test this useful tool and see how it will work. Thanks for watching, please share the video and visit my channel for more projects.